There was not really a Jewish section of town. We lived in South Utica. I almost forgot the name. South Utica. Leslie Avenue was a marvelous neighborhood. But during the winter, we wouldn't see any of the neighbors. Pretty much not. Everybody couldn't wait to drive into their own driveway or walk to their own house and shut the door and be nice and warm and snug. But in the springtime, in the early days of spring, my parents would go down the cellar, get the glider out. We had a huge glider. They would carry it themselves up those maybe 3 steps to the porch. They would set up the glider, unroll the old straw rug, and put the chairs out. And out there, my mother would sit doing her knitting and crocheting in the nice weather. And we would sit out there. I would have a couple of girlfriends, and we would sit out and play with our paper dolls. You could buy a whole booklet of paper dolls, cut them out, cut out the clothing that they were supposed to wear, and just sit doing that.